I think we're more accessible as a company. Obviously, anyone can get a hold of us. We're not high up where we're delegating everything. We talk to all of our customers. We know a good chunk of them, and all of our employees wear a bunch of hats because we're a smaller company. So they know a lot of different things. We get to cross train on a lot of things. Makes us unique in that way.
Like Dan had said before, Dave Fallas still comes in. It's family owned. He's the one that started the company 42 years ago. So he is still involved, heavily involved, and he works with everybody on the floor. And so it's very family oriented. It's, everybody wants to work for the benefit of Fallas. Everybody's trying to come up with the end game of trying to produce better machinery for our customers. Two things: atmosphere and the people. When you're working with the same people over and over again, you can joke the same way, you can enjoy their time, hang out with them, you become a lot more friendly with them than just employees and coworkers.
We have a lot of employees that stay around for a long time. We bring on new employees, and we like the culture to be relaxed, but we're here to solve problems and make the best case packers for our customers. We want to improve what we currently have, and then while building on that, bring in other machinery where we see issues that the customer has. We don't really try to bring out machinery that doesn't really fit anything that our customer needs. We don't want to push something on them, so we really focus on improvement and ideas that our customer will like. So.
We also want to focus on just customer service in general. We want to make sure that our customers that we have now are still our customers 1, 3, 5, 10 years in the future. We want to make sure that they are getting the responses they need from us and they're getting the support they need.